As usual, I'm your host and I'm David. Okay, so we are closing in on the end of 2015. So, any New Year resolutions, guys? August? Yeah, so we are just going to be continuing on from yesterday. Okay, where we left off fixing some bugs and so today will just be a rather chill game development live stream. So yeah, chat about anything you want and anything under the sky. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is to open up Photoshop. Yeah, so we are streaming slightly, or we are starting the stream slightly earlier today. So that means we might end earlier as well. Okay, that's rather fast. Okay. So the reason why I'm opening up Photoshop is because we need to modify some of the sprites used in the game for today's patch. Okay, so there'll be a new patch coming out later today. So the first sprite that we have to modify is the version sprite that shows what version of the game you are using. Yeah. Okay, so currently we're at 0.125, so I'm going to change it to 0.126. Okay. Okay, and we are going to export it. And we are going to just copy and paste it to our sprite in the in-game directory, and that's over here. Okay. Okay, so now when we run the game, we should see version 0.126 instead of version 0.125. Okay, we're just waiting for Unity to wake up. Okay, so once it has finished repacking the sprite sheets, Okay, so we should see version of V 0.126. Yep. Okay, so we have alpha V 0.126. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is to... Okay, so notice that when the ghost died, or when the enemy died, it became darker. So that's part of what we are doing here. Okay, but notice that it's not accurate in the sense that there are some pixels here and there around the dead body, so it looks like it's slightly disintegrated, which is kind of weird. Okay, so we are going to change that, or rather improve on it. So that'll be here in the enemy script. Okay. Yeah, so instead of using this method here, okay, I'm going to use the old method. Yeah. Okay, so this is the old method. So instead of get pixels, we use get pixel, which is not that efficient, but let's see if it's more accurate. Okay, so over here, okay, I'm just going to comment this whole portion. Okay, and I'm going to copy and paste here. Okay, and I'm going to uncomment this portion. Okay, we are going to make some changes here. Okay, so we'll copy this and paste it here. But instead of this, we'll change it to texture dot get pixel x comma y. So this will be this color. Oops. Okay, and over here we can copy and paste this over here. Yeah. Okay, so what we are basically doing is to check for where there's a pixel that is not transparent. So that means there's a color there, and then we'll take it and we'll make it darker. Okay, so that's basically what we're doing here, and we'll put the color back. So R, G, and B. Okay, there's no else here. Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah. Okay, so we can comment this. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now let's test if that will make the dead bodies look better instead of having them just being distorted and their pixels just flying everywhere. Okay, still the same. Oh, interesting. I wonder what's causing them to have their pixels distorted. Okay, something else is causing them to be distorted, so let's see. If that's the case, then we can remove this whole portion. Yeah, it doesn't make sense for us to use the less efficient method of doing this. Okay. Okay, maybe we'll remove this line and we'll put it after we have changed the sprite. Yeah. And maybe we'll do the same thing here. Yeah, maybe it's the rigid body that is causing the sprite to be slightly distorted. Okay, it's still distorted. Okay. Yeah, it's still distorted. Okay. Okay, so most likely it has nothing to do with this. Okay, let's try not doing this. Okay, and let's see what happens. Yeah, they're still kind of distorted. Okay, so it has nothing to do with that. Okay, let's try not changing the alpha and see how it goes. Okay, yep, it's still distorted. Oh, okay, what if we do not rescale it? Okay, looks like it has nothing to do with that. Okay, what if we do not replace this sprite, but we just modify the existing texture? So instead of new texture, we'll use texture. Okay, and since we are not going to be using this, okay, let's comment it. Okay, looks like they're still getting slightly distorted. Okay, let's test if this works or not. Oh. Okay. So we have to create a new texture because because it will affect the current existing enemies that are using the same texture. Okay, maybe instead of 0.1 we'll try 0.06 and see how it goes. Okay, we do not want the difference or the contrast to be that big, but okay, at least we want it to blend it. We want to blend it better with the background. Okay. Okay, there's some weird bug going on here. Okay, let's see. Pixel colors. Yeah, I'm just checking this real quick. Okay, no much change. Yeah, hopefully we don't see that weird black sprite again. Okay, so it's all black. Okay, wonder why is it all black. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, okay, so we have okay, we have sort of messed up the original texture here. Okay, so okay, let's retrieve the backup version. Okay, so luckily we have a backup, the original version, so we can just copy and paste it back. Okay, so there'll be this and this. Okay, that's weird, it's not getting updated. So I'm just going to try restarting Unity. Okay, we're just waiting for Unity to restart, which is taking a while. Yeah, okay. Okay, we have the original sprites back. Yeah, by the way, we did start slightly earlier today, so we might also end slightly earlier today. Okay, for now we use this method, but we might need to change it to use, instead of creating a darker version of the sprite using C#, we might need to use Photoshop for that. Okay, and that's that for now for creating the darker version of the sprites. Okay, next we'll try to reproduce the bug for the Xbox One controller. Okay, so to do that we'll need the Xbox One controller, so let me grab that. Okay, I have with me the Xbox One controller. Okay, so let's see if we can reproduce that bug. Okay, so I'm just testing the joystick and it seems like it's not reproducing the bug. Okay, I'm just going to try unplugging it and plugging it back in. Okay, let's try restarting Unity and see if we can reproduce the bug. Oh. Okay, while we wait for it to load, okay, I'm just going to grab some water real quick. Be right back. Okay, sorry about that guys, I'm back. Okay, let's try to see if we can reproduce that bug. Maybe it's because of the controller. Okay, let me try with the other controller. So with this controller we can't even move. Okay, that's weird. Okay, let's restart and try. Okay, we might need to shorten the delay between those starting screens. Kind of slow. Yeah. Okay, no more. Okay, I'm just going to restart Unity again. Okay, let's see if we can, or if we are able to reproduce the bug. Yeah, all I can say that it's doing a great job of hiding from us. Yeah, I believe I have only seen it once before. Yeah. So I'm trying to recall what I did to cause that situation. Okay, we did it. Okay. Okay. So if I restart, yeah, so it might be due to the controller. Okay. Yeah, so if I recall correctly, even if we restart, the bug should still be there. Yep, okay. So now that we are able to reproduce the bug, okay, let's get to fixing it. Okay, so there will be keycode.z. Yeah. Okay, so over here, I'm just going to do a simple test, even though it might cause some lag. Okay, stick input y is okay, so that's the controller V, which is the less than 0. Okay. Okay, so it's always -1, even though we are not 1. Yeah. So that's what is causing it to constantly jump. So we need to figure out why it's always -1. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the input settings. Okay, so just to save some of the settings before we change it. Okay, so this is for the left joystick Y. Okay, now I'm going to change it to be the same as the left joystick X. Okay, so let's try this again. I believe we did it, man. So it's just a simple change in the settings. Okay, so now I'm using the joystick to move. Okay, so we have the normal jump, where I move the joystick up, and the higher jump where I move the joystick up and I hold it there. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so that was a rather quick and simple fix. Yeah, it was easier than I thought, man. Okay, maybe for the dead zone, we'll try to increase it to 0.25. Okay, and let's see the changes. Whoa, okay, what was that? Oops. Oh, interesting. Okay, we'll leave this in sort of as a fun feature. Okay, 0.19. Okay, let me just do the same thing for the Mac version as well. Okay, so let's change this to Mac. And this to universal. Okay, and our input settings, we'll change it to use the Mac version. Okay, so let's check out the Mac version of the input settings. Yeah, so same thing here. We just need to change this to 0 and this to 0.19 and 1. And that should prevent the joystick from causing the character to jump continuously. Okay, so I'm going to change it back to okay, we need to update the backup version as well. Okay, so this we'll copy and we'll put it back in the Mac version. Okay, over here we'll change this back to Windows. Okay, and we need to change the input settings again over here. Okay, so 0, 0.19 and 1. Okay, now we need to copy this because we just updated it and put it here. Okay, so now we should be able to say that we have fixed the jumping bug. Okay, so so that should be under bug fixes. Okay, so fix a bug where using the Xbox One controller would sometimes cause you to jump continuously. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna check this real quick. Okay, so in today's Okay, patch. Okay, we have 2 bug fixes, 2 changes, and we added new controls to the game. Okay, let's see. What are the things, important things that we need to do that we have not done yet? Oh, okay. So this is one of the bugs that Anasazi found. Okay, so let's fix this first. Okay. So to prevent that from happening, okay. Oh wait. Okay, so Anasazi managed to produce the bug by exiting multiplayer and going back to the main screen really quickly to sometimes cause the 2 black bars to appear over the title screen. So let's try to reproduce that. Okay, so to do that, okay, we need to go to multiplayer and exit multiplayer extremely fast, or at least that's what Anasazi described how he produced the bug. Okay, maybe you try creating a room and exiting it. Okay. Okay, maybe let's not go into full screen and let's check out where the black bars. Okay, the location of the black bars. Okay, one of the possible reasons why they are appearing is because they are actually not destroyed but moved away. Okay, so and that's because we want to reuse them whenever possible. Okay, to save resources. Okay, so let's take a look at the objects created when the game is running. Oh, okay, so this is the pass overlay. Okay, what about this? Okay, this might be one of the black bars. Okay. Okay, so this is another one of the black bars, and I'm guessing this is also one of the black bars as well. Yeah. Okay, maybe to prevent the bug from happening, even if we can't reproduce it, let's destroy them for now. Okay, so let me just put it here. Okay, I'll put it under to do. Okay, so returning to the main title screen would cause 2 black bars to appear on the top and bottom. We're exiting from the multiplayer mode. Yeah, okay. Okay, so to prevent this from happening, okay, we are not going to reuse them, or at least okay, so that'll be over here, bars, yeah. Okay, so this is where we create the 2 black bars. Let's see, top and bottom. Okay, maybe we'll give it a name, so it's easier for us to do some to find where it is. Okay, so this will be bottom bar for multiplayer. Okay, so when we return to the title screen, so that will be main menu here. Okay, so over here, if height bars is true, okay. Okay, so basically we are just calling this method and hiding them. Okay, so that means sometimes they are not hidden. Okay, let's test this out. So once I go to multiplayer, okay, we should have 2. Yeah, okay, 2 bars created. Okay, so top bar for multiplayer and bottom bar for multiplayer. Okay, so once I go back, okay, both of them should be hidden. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, one of the possible causes that I can think of is because of the delay over here. Okay, of when you return to the main menu over here. Yeah, so instead of doing this, so one of the possible causes is that this delay is sort of interfered. Okay, when you return to the the starting menu. So I'm gonna move this all the way to here. So the black bars will disappear even before all of this is caught. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so I'm trying to break the game by trying to reproduce it. Okay, so far so good. Okay, maybe we need to do this extremely fast. Okay, notice that even as the connecting pop-up appears, I'm already pressing B. Yeah. Okay, because B is back. Oh, it allows us to go back to this starting screen. Hey, what's up, Sebastian Kane? How's your day, man? Okay, by the way, we have fixed quite a number of bugs today. I also made some changes to the game. Hey, glad to hear that, man. Good, because yeah, we managed to find, or rather reproduce one of the irritating bugs that's kind of hard to reproduce, and we managed to fix it as well. Okay, since we're at it, okay, let's fix another bug, and that is the bug where, okay, right now I'm playing using the Xbox One controller. Yeah. So there's kind of a bug with the character falling off a platform. So instead of just falling off from here, or rather from here, yeah, it should just, the character should, by right, fall down vertically or just, yeah, and not be pushed forward. Yeah, so this is what we want. Okay, but not, yeah, not that. Okay, that's not what we want. Okay, unless you were running beforehand to build up the momentum, okay, then at least that makes sense. Yeah, but this does not. So that's why you're looking at me jumping up and down, doing the same thing over and over again. Okay, so at least from my observations, it seems that it only happens when we have both of, rather we have one of the legs in mid-air and the other on the platform. Okay, so if I'm standing here, yeah, so that is the correct behavior. But if I'm standing here, oh, hey, hi there, Swag Gaming Live Nation. Please do not do that again. If not, I will have to block/ban you, because that is considered as spam. And it just happens that I've not added Nightbot today. If not, okay, you would be already banned by the Nightbots. I mean, it's alright if you want to look for people to sort of buy your services, but at least don't do that in your opening statement. Yeah, that's kind of straight out spam, man. Yeah, I hope you understand where I'm coming from. Okay, let's try another character. Oh, okay, so that's the bug that I'm... Oh! Okay, so the momentum was minus 391. Okay, I might have found the reason for this. Okay. So the momentum went over the charts. Okay, so I'm assuming that's what is causing that. Yeah. Okay, so for some reason, sometimes falling off the platform in that manner causes the momentum to go off the charts. So that is what is likely causing the push forward when you're falling off the platform. So if you're wondering what momentum I'm referring to, okay, that is the build up before jumping. The build up when you run before jumping. So it's sort of one of the jumping mechanics in the game, where you can jump further if you run before you jump. Okay, but so as we can see, it's apparently causing that bug. Okay, so we need to take a look at that. Okay, so let's go to where we check our momentum, and that is over here. Yep. Okay, so we might need to reset the momentum here since we have already used it up. Yeah, so it makes sense for us to reset it. Oh, okay, so this should be M moment. Okay, so reset the momentum since we have used it. Oh, okay, we have already reset it here. Okay, greater than else. Okay, so as long as we jump, we will reset the momentum. So that is, let's see. Okay, let's try this again. So before we test out the jumping and running, okay, let me just clear this stage. Okay. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Okay, so that's the bug. Okay. What about? Yep. Let me try another stage layout. Maybe something that can allow me to run towards left. Yeah. Okay, so if I run, jump, yep. Oh. Okay, so even though we changed that momentum portion, okay, this is still happening. Oh, okay, we might need to reset the momentum if we stop. Okay, Let's see if we did that or not. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we did that. Okay, so over here, else, that means if we are not in, so over here, if we are not grounded and not moving in mid-air, okay, we reset momentum as well. Okay, let's see whether that will change anything. Oh, what the? Okay. Okay, it's still happening. So, okay, even resetting the momentum does not affect it at all. Okay, so if we have both legs on the platform, it seems to be doing fine. Okay, but once we only have one. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, that's fine. Let me try using the new controls. Okay, maybe it's the oh, wait a second. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm using the keyboard instead of the Xbox One controller. And it looks like the bug is not... Yeah, the character is not being pushed forward, so it might have something to do with the D-pad on the Xbox One controller. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this another maybe 10 times. So 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it is all about the D-pad. Yeah, so I'm jumping up and down using the keyboard, and we are not experiencing that bug. Okay, so it might have something to do with the D-pad's sensitivity, especially towards left and right. Yeah, okay, so let me take a look at the input settings again. So this is okay. Okay, so we have fixed that. So next is let's put this under to do. Fix a bug where using the Xbox One controller when using the Xbox One controller, falling off a platform using the D-pad would sometimes cause you to be pushed forward in that direction. Yeah. Okay. So after some testing, apparently this is only for the D-pad. So we most likely have to just sort of modify the settings here. Okay, so I hope that you can see this. Yeah. Okay, so the D-pad is okay. Let's take a look. Okay, controller D. Okay, so it's controller D left and controller D right. Okay, so it's over here. Yeah. Okay, so the gravity, the dead zone, and the sensitivity, let's change that to something similar as our left joystick X. Okay. So this is controller D left as well. Yeah. Okay, so let's change it to 0, 0.19, and 1. Okay, let's do the same thing for controller D right. Okay, and let's test this out. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's clear the stage first. Okay, so yeah, it's still quite sensitive. Okay, so if I just use the keyboard here, yeah, notice that there's no sudden push forward when you fall off a platform. Okay, but if I use the D-pad, okay, even if I use the joystick, yeah, okay, I don't get the same sudden push forward. Okay, so we still have to. Oh wait. Okay. Okay. We still get this occasion push forwards. Okay, as you can see over there. Yeah. Okay, so we need to find out what is the settings to change so that for the D-pad this does not happen. Yeah. Joystick 1. Okay. Joystick X. Oh, okay. Okay, so for controller D left and controller D right. Yeah, okay, we still have to figure out what is the right settings to use for this. Okay. Okay, let me just check this out. Okay, controller D left. Oh, okay, so we should be changing controller D horizontal. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's check. That. Okay, maybe for this we'll change it to be the same as the, let's see. Okay, maybe we'll remove snap and see whether that will change anything or not. Okay, and then for the left and the right, we'll change it back to this. Okay. Okay, so let's see whether that will make that will have any change or effect on the jumping and moving and falling off the platform. Looks like there's not much effect, which leads me to think that it's about the snap. Yeah. Okay. Okay, maybe if we remove the snap. Okay, let's see. Okay, so most likely to fix that bug, we just need to play around with the controller settings. Okay, so I'm just going to fall off from here. Okay, so far so good. Oh. So we might have to change this okay, back to 0, 0.19 and 1. Yeah, so we have to play around with the input settings here and see which one is the best setting for us. Okay. Okay, so we'll stop the live stream here, and we'll continue streaming tomorrow. So see you guys and girls tomorrow, and take care until then. Bye.